decomposition cleanups don't necessarily have to be handled immediately. Typically, by the time we get there, there's been some length of time that the body was there before it was removed. So the reality is most of the damage is already done. What you want to try and reduce, especially during the warm months, is the amount of insects and flies. The longer it sits there, the more flies will be there, and then the flies will take and make the scene a lot larger than it already was. So it might go from just a bedroom to all of a sudden the whole house is contaminated with the issues. So that's really the piece, and the important piece to get there sooner. In the winter months, we don't have the insects to worry about, so there isn't as big of a deal to get there right away. But one of the first things we do and especially in the warm months when we get there, if we're not able to immediately start cleaning, we'll at least set some machines up that will start to help to reduce the odor, and it should kill off some of those flies or make it less attractive for those insects to even come into the environment.